What's up, fool? My name is Percy Mascotti. Most people call me Josh, and my family think I'm a mechanic. And I'm here to tell them I'm not a mechanic, so stop asking me to do things on your car. I don't know what I'm doing, but I'm here to pledge allegiance to the bag. Today's daily video might not be exciting, as I'm about to go attempt to fix my brother's Intrepid. He has a thermostat housing issue that's leaking, and I'm gonna try to fix it. It's a Dodge, so I'm pretty sure all the bolts are standard. So I gotta take my whole Craftsman set and load up the jack and jack stands. I don't know what I'm getting myself into, but it is what it is, bro. When you make YouTube videos on auto mechanics and car stuff, your family tend to think you're a mechanic. I don't know where to get that idea from. I mean, you guys seen my cars. Every day, bro. Every goddamn day, I'm on E, bro. I haven't drove the RSX in like 4 days because I put gas in the Integra and I did not feel like driving the RSX. And now I have to put gas in the RSX. It's just 93 so expensive, dog. E85, it only cost me like $15 to get a full tank of E85. Damn, man, I have to put the RSX on E or something. That would be fun and exciting. Well, I'm leaving my brother's house. Listen, Dodge Intrepids are stupid. Dumb cars. Dodge in general is dumb. Well, I can't say that. But the Intrepid, idiot car. To replace a thermostat on a 2004 2.7 liter Dodge Intrepid, you have to remove I couldn't do it. I failed. I'm not a mechanic. Now, hopefully my family knows this. I can only do brakes. I feel bad for my brother though. Back home, bro, I'm supposed to be eating better and, treating my body better. But I seen Coilovers and I was like, bro, milkshake was slap. And I also got food. Bro, I can't help it. Know what I mean? Life is too short to be eating healthy, dog. But shit, my life can be short if I don't start eating healthy. Fast. Being that I am an automotive enthusiast, it's always, I wouldn't say difficult, because it's really not difficult at all, to keep the car clean. It can be time consuming. But luckily, the good people over at The Last Coat done came out with a product that's gonna make cleaning your car fairly simple and easy. And anti-time consuming. And yes, anti-time consuming. I'm not sure if the dust and dirt is gonna pick up on the camera as well, but the Integra has seen better days. She's pretty dusty. Now, what I'm going to be using to clean up Crustina in a fresh, timely manner is none other than The Last Coat's GO2 waterless wash. Now for my detailed people out there, I know what you guys are probably thinking, bro.
Zosh, waterless wash is gonna ruin the car, bro. Like, it's gonna ruin the finish of the car called scratches. It's not really well.
Look. This has all been thought out already, bro. It's all been thought out. This right here is the world's, bro. Look, when I tell you the world, not just America, the world. Don't be ignorant. World's first graphene plus SiO2 waterless wash system. Now, if you know about graphene, then you know how slick and glossy this thing could be. SiO2 is ceramic technology. So you're getting that slick glossy along with the ceramic technology that is SiO2 mixed with that graphene, bro. It sells itself. Sometimes these promos really just sell themselves. Like it's crazy, bro. It's crazy. You want to make sure you shake up that graphene, boy. Shake it up, 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 shake it up. I'm gonna test this out on the bonnet and on the passenger fender. You guys already seen it before. Let's see that after. Now, what I like to do when I'm using a waterless based system is I like to let it sit for a little bit so I can get all those bubbles and dirt and stuff lift up off the surface, as you guys can probably see on camera if it's picking it up, but it's gonna start lifting up all the dirt and stuff. But we got light dust and stuff on the car. It smells good too. It smells like grape or something. Reminds me, I want a Kool-Aid. I really like waterless wash systems because if I'm on the go, like if I'm at a track and my car is dirty, I at least want to look good on the track, you feel me? So it's nice to be able to just whip out the spray bottle, clean it up, make it look all nice and decent. Not too much dust and dirt on the car, but it's enough. It's enough to see a difference. Now I use my secondary microfiber to finally give it this final buff. And this is the final result of using the Last Coat's GO2 waterless wash. Look at that. So you can tell probably what's been cleaned and what's not been cleaned. I really wish the sun was out so you guys could really see the difference, but hopefully you guys have seen it on camera. And the reason why I like working with the Last Coat when it comes to this type of technology is because they specialize in what they're doing. They're focused on one product. I've been using the Last Coat on my Integra for the past, how many months now? Like 7 months now? And their products always seem to amaze me, man. That GO2 waterless wash system is something different because it's the world's first thing with graphene and SiO2. So it's like, it's mixing ceramic coat with that slick, glossy detailing, like, ooh, that looks so fresh. Makes it look like wet paint. And I'm super glad they want to work with me and keeping Christina fresh and clean. You know what I mean? Fresh and clean. Like, look at that fender, bro. Look at that fender, boy. Oh my God. I want to give a huge thank you and shout out to the homies over at the Last Coat for sponsoring this video, of course, man. Bro, it's Christmas time. Bro, please support the companies that support me, bro. If you guys want to check out the world's first graphene plus sign SiO2 based wireless wash, then you hit the link in the description box below. And they have many more products if you guys want to check those out as well. Huge thank you to the Last Coat for sponsoring this video. Be sure to check them out, link down below. Now we have a basketball game to go attend. Should I take the Integra or the RSX? Let's take the RSX, bro. It got heat. It's kind of cold in Florida right now. We're on our way to Nephew's basketball game. Now, if you guys been following me on the gram, y'all would know, you know what I mean? The sad defeats that his uncle had to watch. But hopefully, he can get us a dub today, bro. Hopefully, Nephew can pull out a dub. Oh my God! Y'all see the Type R fit? What that say? Type R fit, boy. Oh, it is always a bittersweet feeling walking onto this school, man. So many memories here, dog. PSL High School, man. PSL High School. If the OGs remember my old vlog channel, I have old vlogs of me here. I probably incorporated it into this video. Wow, this is crazy. This is crazy. So we're at the game. Justice team it's looking pretty good. Justice? You feel me?
Cheese.
I'm missing all the footage right now, man. Justin scored like 5 points.
Oh no.
Come on, Justice. Come on, Neff. That was a nice layup. It's our game now. Good job, good job. Ooh, Them your shoes? Huh? Them your shoes? They fresh, ain't it? Ooh, you got a whole fit on, boy. Ooh. They're only down by 2 points. Halftime. We have All-Star Mr. Justice Rogers. Jasmine Rogers. Come here.
Set that. You can set that pick. Oh. Get back. Swing it. Swing it. There you go. There you go. Get that, Justin. Good shot. Good shot.
Yeah, good job, Jasmine.
Get back. Get back. Money. Money. Hey, Justin, let's go. That's your ball. There you go. Good pass. Good pass. Yeah, yeah. There you go. Good work. Good work. Move that. There you go. Move that. Get to it. There you go. Good pass. Work. Work. Wait. What happened? He shot.
Just having a good game today.
Work, 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 work. Stick tall.
Good job. Woo. 5 seconds left. Yeah. I need a press conference. He did good. He scored 17 points. Hey, bro, you gonna be legendary one day, bro?
Yeah, bro. Next Michael Jordan coming up.
Whoa, 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 bro. You gonna have to start, you know what I mean? Hey, let me get them shoes, though. Yeah, I need to take them off and get to me right now. I'm gonna need them. You foul. All right, Nev, I'm catching tomorrow. All right. Support your nieces and your nephews and your brothers and your sisters. Now that that's over with, I'm on my way to the gym to meet up with Randy and Fred. And yeah, then we can close out this video. I know today's daily vlog was kind of cheeks, but hey, man, daily life. Tomorrow and the videos, so on and so forth, going to be actually car related. So, damn, these are a lot of damn recycling bins, bruh. You think they'd be mad if I steal? Nah, I can't do that, bro. I got a bunch of content of car stuff. I got RSX content and I got Integra content. I got my home development rear roll correction kit in the mail like last week. Actually, when I was in hybrid or at hybrid. Bro, it's kind of cold outside, boy. Somebody with the 3000 GT. 3000 GT. He ain't gonna fuck. Ooh, yada dee da 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 da. Bro, these Zosh MFG windbreakers are fire. Also, I didn't even mention, but these are now for sale. But that's cool.